Snapchat's streak. Now this is a very basic tutorial video on Snapchat's streak, so I'll teach you guys about it. But before that, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Now let us start. First, just open up your Snapchat. Now on your Snapchat you will sometimes see a flame icon right beside somebody. Now that is streak. Now during a Snapchat streak, users send each other at least one picture, that is a snap, every 24 hours. And if you do so for more than 2 or 3 days in a row, a flame icon will appear next to your name of the friend. Now the number of flame indicates how many days in a row you have exchanged the snaps. So that is basically how you maintain a snap in your Snapchat. Now if you don't send any snaps someday, or your friend does not send one back, that means that that snap will just end, the streak ends. And before it ends, you will see an hourglass icon besides your friend. And I don't really have any streaks right now, but that is how it goes, guys. And if you want to maintain your streak, you will have to send at least a snap to the person every 24 hours. Now that is pretty much it about snap streaks. There is nothing extra or nothing special about it. People do like to maintain the streaks, as it can range from 500 to 1000 streaks on, I don't know, average, I guess. So it is quite addictive. So I hope you guys understand that. And that is pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the like button down below, and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.